Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your product page by replacing boring color names with beautiful interactive color swatches. If you have been working on a Shopify store and want to take your product page to the next level, this feature is a must have. So if you followed along my previous video series, Shopify theme development using Tailwind and Alpine.js, you will have an idea how we worked on single product page and displayed all the variations as the swatches. So now, instead of this color name, we are going to display actual color. We are going to use same theme files that we created in the Shopify theme development video series, but the code that we are going to create now will work for any theme. Let's open our code editor, and you can see currently I am into my template product.liquid file, and here in this condition we are displaying all the product variations that a product has. So if you have seen my previous video series, you will definitely have idea what this code is used for. Okay, so here we are checking if the product has variations. In this loop, we are displaying those product variations, and this product option dot name displays the variation name like color, size, materials, etc. Okay, and in this loop, we are displaying the actual variation. So to display the color swatches, we need to work in this loop. So let's get started with this. To work, we need to create an if statement here. Okay, so let's do that. So what we need to do is, so we are going to use this product dot name and matches this with the actual variation name. So in this case, the color. So let's do that. So let me copy this and paste that here. So if product option dot name is equal to color, then we are going to display our color swatches here. Otherwise, let me cut this piece of code and place that inside the if else statement. Okay, so if we have color, then we are going to display the code that we are going to display here. Otherwise, this code will be displayed. Okay, so let me display value here. So this value will display the actual color name. So let me save this. Make sure theme watch allow live command is running. Okay, so let me refresh this page. So you will see here we have black, red, and green color. So now we are going to define each color with the actual code. Okay, so let's do that. So let's start a switch statement here. For that, we need to use case. Okay, so let's do that. So in this, you can use if else also, but the syntax would be very long because we have so many colors. So here we can pass value, and in when we are going to make different conditions. Okay, so let's do that. So when red, so if we open the product at the back end, you will see that we have different options here. So we need to mention this value here: orange, purple, dark red, teal. Okay, so for that we have, for this particular product, we have red, black, and green. So we need to make these conditions also. So let's do that. So when red, so before the case statement, let's create variable using assign statement, and the variable would be, let's say, swatches color. and let's initialize with an empty string. Okay, so when the variation is red, then we can reassign this variable. So let's do that. So our S color would be, here we can replace the value with the actual hex code of red color. So let me do that. Okay, so like this, we can create another condition. So when we have black, so our S color would be this one. And let me create one more. So then we have green, and for green, the hex code would be this one. Okay, so this is for our this product, and I have created one more product. We have orange, purple, dark red, and teal. So we need to make conditions for these options also. So let me pause the video and create these options. So I have created all the options here. So if your product has more options, you have to create these conditions here. Okay, so now let me copy this piece of code and paste that here in the if part after this end case. And here, instead of this value, so let me add style here, and the background color would be, so this background would be our variable name. Okay, so which is this S color. So we can do that here. So let me open the terminal here and run npx mix watch command here. So this will compile our CSS and generate app.css. Okay, so our command is running. Now we can add some design here. So instead of this W28, we can use W20, and instead of this P3, we can use P5. Let's save this. And now let's check this on the front end. Let's refresh this page. You can see we have color swatches, and all these swatches are working. You can see when I click on this color swatch, the product here changes. Okay, let me refresh this page also. Okay, this is also working. Let's try to add this red and large product in the cart. Okay, let's click on this add to cart button. You can see we have large red in the cart. So let me add this purple variation in the cart. Okay, let's do that. So now you can see we have purple color product in the cart. So mostly people try to use app for this functionality, but using this piece of code, this can be easily generated. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming Shopify development tutorials. This is it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.